All right, we're finding the surface area. The surface area in total for a cone is the lateral area, which is pi times the radius times the slant height. And you add to that whatever you get for the area of the base, which is pi times the radius squared. So we can fill in all these numbers. We already have them. Pi times the radius, which is 3, times the slant height, which is 17, plus pi times the radius squared, which is 3 squared. So resolving these out, we get 51 pi here, plus 3 squared is 9, 9 pi here. And we add those together, we get 60 pi. And what's the units? Centimeters. So if we're talking about area, it's centimeters squared. So the total surface area is 60 pi centimeters squared, and that is choice